Today I am going to teach simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express facts, general truth, habits, routines, what are the things we are doing, daily what we are doing, routines, and states of being in the present time. Okay. It used to express habits, facts, general truth, routines, and states of being in the present time, what we are doing now. Okay. Now first we will see the rules. Simple present tense. I, you, we, they. For this, we have to write only verb. We should not add with this yes or yes. Okay. But he, she, it, names. These subjects comes, we have to write verb plus yes or plus es. Now suppose that first you should know what is a verb. First you should know. Okay. First, what is a verb? Now, what is a verb? Doing an action or expresses an action. Okay. Now suppose, now I am saying go, come, give, take. Okay. See here, go comes, we have to write es. Okay, goes. For come, yes, we can write gives, takes. Can you understand? So, with the verb he, she, names comes, we have to write with the verb yes or es, like this. Es for this, yes. For this and all, yes, gives, takes. Okay, like that we have to write with the verb. If it is singular. First one, I drink milk every day. Okay. She drinks coffee every day, or every day in the morning. Every day in the morning, or daily we can say. Okay. He drinks or tea daily. Can say. Now say, I told you, I, you, we, they comes, we have to write only verb. So we should not add anything. Okay. If it is milk means we have to drink. For this thing, you should know what is a verb we should write or speak. Okay. I drink milk every day. Here you see he, she comes. What do you have to write? Yes. Verb plus yes. Verb plus yes. He, she, it comes. Verb plus yes. This is very easy. Day to day, daily routine. What we are doing. Okay. Present. That is only this one. What we are talking in the daily routine or habits, or what are the facts, general truth. That is easy only. Okay. The sun. Next one. The sun. The sun rises in the east. The earth revolves. The earth revolves around the sun. The train leaves at 5 p.m. Okay. The movie starts at 2 p.m. Are you clear now? See, very, very easy. See, first, sun. The sun rises. I told you verb plus yes. It rises in the east. The earth, it. The earth revolves. So, yes, okay. Next, the train. The train leaves, it. The movie starts, it. Now, I think you can understand what I have coming to tell now. See, so first you should see sun. Sun rise, can't say. Because I told you, it comes, we have to write yes, verb plus yes. So the earth revolves around also, yes only we have to write. The train, it leaves. The movie, it starts. Okay, the verb plus yes we have to write. Because these are same. It rises, it revolves. Verb plus yes or verb plus es we have to write for he, she, it, names. This is simple present tense. Okay. Here you can see a raise verb. Here revolves, revolve. Here leaves, leave. Here verb start, verb start. Okay. Next one. You work hard. You draw very well. I am a teacher. This is the state of being now, what I am doing, present time. Okay. He is a doctor. Helping verbs also we can write. He is a doctor. Okay. Now see, you work. Work only here. Verb is work. Why we didn't write S here? Because I, you, we, they comes, we have to write only verb. You draw very well. So, draw. Verb is draw. I am a teacher. Here, helping verb only here. I am a teacher. I am helping verb. This is helping verb. Not verb, okay? This is helping verb. This is state of being in the present time. What we are doing, that is only, he is a doctor, she is a nurse, I am a teacher. This, for that we have to say like this. Next one. They talk too much. They talk too much. Walk slowly. She sings. She sings very well, or she sings well also can write. She sings very well. She dances. She dances well. Okay. Now see here, they talk too much. They talk. Suppose he, she, it comes, we have to write talks. Will come. Okay. They talk too much. So here, talk. We walk slowly. How they are walking. This is adverb. Okay. Verb, adverb. Add meaning to the verb, adverb. walk slowly. So how they are walking? Slowly. Walk. Walk is the verb. She sings very well. Sings is the verb. Sing. If it is they or you or we means they sing very well. We sing very well or I sing very well. That is I, you, we, they comes, we should not write yes. He, she, it comes, we have to write yes. Names also, we have to write yes. She dance. Dances is dance. She dance well or she dance very well. Kiran studies well or studies very well. He works hard to get good mark, to get first rank, like that. He works hard, okay. Then she works hard, can write, or she studies well, or she sings well, she dances well, okay. She works hard. She looks beautiful. Now you say Kiran studies well. IES, okay. Verb plus yes or verb plus IES also we can write. Here study comes, here study, S-T-U-D-Y, S-T-U-D-Y, study. Y comes, we have to write IES, verb, Y remove one, we have to write IES, studies. He works hard for getting first mark or for getting a state rank. He works hard. Here verb is work. She works hard. Okay. Here she looks beautiful. I told you he, she, it comes. We have tried verb plus yes. He, she, it, names comes. We have tried verb plus yes. Kiran, name. So I have given these examples because you should know that the name or he, she, it also I have given more examples for you. Okay. He, she comes also verb plus, and here look. Looks is look. Verb is look here. Next one, Kiran likes to eat chocolate, or Kiran likes to eat ice cream. He plays football. Here Kiran likes. So which one is verb here? Like. Kiran likes to eat ice cream. Or Kiran likes ice cream also can say. Simple present tense we can say Kiran likes ice cream also we can say. He plays football. Here plays is the verb. Play is the verb. Okay. He reads a book. He reads a book. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Now you see, he reads. Birds, yes, is plural. That you should know first. Okay. Here he comes, so I have written yes. Okay. This is read. He reads a book. He reads an article. Okay, anything you can say. But here see birds. Not only one bird, more is there. So yes, this is plural. So we should write only fly. Only verb. Birds fly in the sky. Your verb is fly. Thank you.